My name is Gary McCulloch, and I'm the CEO and Superintendent of this amazing school that you get to visit today in Bridges Preparatory. When I began 2 years ago, putting a great product in every single classroom was a priority, and it was a priority of our faculty. What our faculty had in a lot of their classrooms were overhead LED projectors coming out of the ceiling, and they really weren't able to use a panel for what it should truly be used. What we've been able to do is we've been able to move from 200 computers on site to now 1,000 computers that we have. Every kid has a laptop computer in our school. Every single classroom has a clear touch panel.
The majority of use right now is coming up to the panel and using it with the touch screen access, with writing on it. One of the favorite things that we have students do is game through geography, where they have to identify specific countries on a map. So they have to recognize which country it is and touch the map. And they really love that interaction with the boards and being able to have that immediate feedback using that game.
Every single teacher uses it. They use it a lot for showing how to do things, like if we're doing an activity, they'll hook it up to their computer and do an example. Also in math, like when you write the equations on there, it's very easy to see. That's nice.
The Clear Touch panel is pretty easy to use. At first, it's just all the stuff right there is the browser, the games, and all that is just right there. So you're able to click on any of it and find what you need.
My students' favorite is probably the Canvas whiteboard, where they can draw pictures and stuff, and the fact that multiple students can get up there at the same time and draw pictures and actually create something together.
Currently we're reading a novel in English class, and when we do theme studies or symbol studies, we like to put those charts up onto the board and have kids come up to the board and write pieces of evidence, quotes, practice their citations on the board. That way everybody can see it and it's a live working document.
One of the challenges we encountered during the pandemic is ensuring that we were able to create an engaging environment for students in the brick and mortar and virtual environment simultaneously. However, with the utilization of the Clear Touch boards, teachers were able to use the apps and tools to create an atmosphere that's conducive to student engagement.
I have to say, Clear Touch does a better job in the way they've set up their panel than other panels I've used before. Using a dry erase board is really where I started out, and I barely use my dry erase boards anymore because I find that the convenience of Clear Touch, having whiteboard access with it, really makes it convenient to use, especially in the hybrid learning environment that we are today.
If you are making a decision about what product to select, the training and professional development is what separates Clear Touch from everyone else. It is a first-class delivery model. And the reason why I say that is they truly listen to what your needs are as an educator, and they plan it accordingly. You can see that this is not a one-size-fits-all training. If I want to be doing tabletops with our kids, that's the way the PD has been selected and put into your school. So professional development, top-rated service, knowledgeable people, make sure you select Clear Touch.